So let's continue with this Lord of the Rings coding bit. So we've got these values. How do we access any given value? And we did this traversal here with the items method, and that returned a tuple and populated the key with the key, value with the value, and we were able to access them that way. But there's another way to do this, and you're very likely to use this at some point. So let's just print the value for Frodo. So here we're going to access the value. Print d sub Frodo, and if we do that, we get Hobbit. Notice it's not giving us Frodo : Hobbit or something like that. It's we're accessing the value at the key Frodo. So that's how accessing works. We could do that with any of these values, and that's fine. So what happens when we try to access a key that doesn't exist? This is really important. You're going to run into it all the time. Let's try to find the value of Bilbo. So what we get is there's a key error, Bilbo. And that's just telling us this key doesn't exist. Key error Bilbo, it doesn't exist. So the way that we would want to go about this, if we don't know if it's in the dictionary or not at that point when we're trying to access it, we can say if Bilbo in D, then print Bilbo. So we're just checking membership, and otherwise, let's say print no Hobbit here. And of course, we get no Hobbit here. We could, you could think about this in terms of the logic. Well, if Bilbo isn't in the dictionary, then maybe what we want to do is add Bilbo in as a Hobbit. And let's just print D when we get down there, just to, kind of prove the point that, oh, Hobbit is not defined. Of course it's not. That should be a string. And let's run that. And when we print the dictionary at the end, of course we're seeing Bilbo in there as well, Bilbo as a Hobbit.